Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this math algebra problem, and here we have 7 to the power of 1 plus n plus 7 to the power of 1 minus n equals to 50, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first step we are going to do is, here first we break the exponent of both of the terms and we write it as 7 to the power of 1 into 7 to the power of n plus 7 to the power of 1 into 7 to the power of minus n equals to 50. And now in the next step we simplify the terms and we write it as 7 times of 7n, plus we move the 7 to the power of minus n in upside in the downside, and we write it as 7 over 7 to the power of n equals to 50. And now in the next step we take here this exponential term 7 to the power of n equals to y, and we convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form. So when we take y equals 7 to the power of n, then it will become 7y plus 7 over y equals to 50. And now we multiply both of the sides by y. So when we multiply both sides by y, then you get 7y square plus y equals to 50y. So this will becomes in quadratic form, and now we easily make the factors of this equation and we move towards the solution of this equation. So first we move this 50y in the left hand side and we have 7y square minus 50y plus 7 equals to 0. So now here we need any two numbers whose product is 49, and when we add these two numbers then we get minus 50. So that these two numbers are minus 49 and minus 1, and we get 7y square minus 49y minus y plus 7 equals to 0. So that in the next step we take common 7y from the first two terms and we get 7 times of y into y minus 7, and we take common minus 1 and we get y minus 7 equals to 0. So that in the next step we take common y minus 7 and we obtain 7y minus 1 equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we write y minus 7 equals to 0, and the second case is we write 7y minus 1 equals to 0. So in the first case you get the value of y equals to 7, and in the second case you get the value of 7y equals to 1 and y equals to 1 over 7. So that here we back substitute the value of y, but in the start of the problem we will take here our y equals to 7 to the power of n. So we put this value in this equation and we obtain 7 to the power of n equals to 7, and in this case we get 7 to the power of n. When we move the 7 upsides, then you get its exponent is minus 1, so we get 7 to the power of minus 1. So when we compare both of the sides, then here you get the value of n is 1, and in this case you get the value of n is minus 1. And now we check both of these values. Is these two values satisfies the given question statement or not? So here we have the given question statement is 7 to the power of 1 plus n plus 7 to the power of 1 minus n equals to 50, and we have two values of n equals to 1 and minus 1. We check these two values. So now first we substitute here n equals to 1. So first we check at n equals to 1, and now when we put here n equals to 1 in this equation, then you get 7 to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 7 to the power of 1 minus 1 equals to 50, and we get 49 plus 7 to the power of 0 is 1. You know that something power 0 is equals to 1. And we have 50 equals to 50. So this means that n equals to 1 satisfy the given question statement. So n equals to 1 be the first solution of the given equation. And now we check at n equals to minus 1. So now we put here n equals to minus 1 in this equation. In this equation, this is the given equation, and we get 7 to the power of 1 minus 1 plus 7 to the power of 1 plus 1 equals to 50. So here you get 7 to the power of 0 plus 7 to the power of 2 equals to 50. And we have 7 to the power of 0 is 1 plus 7 to the power of 2 is 49 equals to 50. And we get 50 equals to 50. So this means that n equals to plus 1 and n equals to minus 1, both values of n are satisfied this equation. And this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.